Yo, what's good, y'all? This is boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G, right here. You know what I'm saying? My very first time ever changing the oil on my own car. You know what I'm saying? And also, I just want to save money, to tell you the truth. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna show you how to do it. You know, I seen other YouTubers did it. You know, so I decided to do it myself. And I love to save my own money, like I said. And also, I truly love to show people the right things in the right way. For those of people that want to save their money, and I'm gonna show y'all the tools that I have and the accessories that I have to do all this. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out. So yeah, man, so this is my accessories and my tools for the oil change and the oil filter change. You know what I'm saying? And this is a Rhino ramp right here, when you like lift the car up, like by moving the car forward or whatever, which is good for the outside, whatever, so you don't have to, you know, be in the shop and nothing like that. But anyways, this is the wheel stopper from keeping the tires from rolling, you know what I mean? And this is my light right here, just in case, you know what I'm saying, if it's dark or whatever. This is my oil filter right here that I bought, which is great. My gloves right here, and also this is like my tool right here that I'm gonna use to unbolt the 17mm bolt, which I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit. This is the drainage or whatever. I forgot what's the name of this, but this is for like the oil or anything that you put in there easily, stuff like that. Also right here, this is the oil right here that I bought for the car. And yes, it is synthetic oil for the Honda Accord from 2008 to 2012. And also this is an oil pan right here. When I put the old oil out, like when I drain it out, which I'll show you in the video, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. So this is a wheel stopper, so make sure that you add both of these. You know, add this one, then you gotta add one on the other side, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna need to lift the hood. So yeah, man, this is the oil right here with the engine and stuff like that, inside the engine, of course. And this right here is 0W20 synthetic oil, you know what I mean? So this is where it goes and all that to change it. So I'm just gonna show y'all right now. So in this video, you see me using my wrench to unscrew the 17mm oil drain bolt. And it's my very first time doing it. And I almost had a difficult time doing it until somebody told me what exactly to do to hit it, and then it will loose out, and that's what exactly I did. So now the oil has spilled out is because I unscrewed it, you know. And in this video I also fast forwarded because I do not want to waste too much time. So it's being fast forwarded, drain it out, drain it out, drain it out, and it's draining out wild fast. No homo, pause. But anyways, this is my very first time doing this, and I was nervous, and the oil was hot, and I forgot to wait till the car oil cool down, the engine cool down. I forgot to wait till it cool down, but yeah, it's straight now, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, you know. And then now I am definitely removing my oil filter now with the wrench that I had. But I tried it by hand, and my hands were slippery because of the oil. So what I did was I used that wrench length, the extra wrench thing that I had that I used on the bolts to put it on. You know what I'm saying? So just watch. So as you can see, I am unscrewing my oil filter real quick. You know what I'm saying? It's tight, so good thing I was able to use the wrench still. You know what I'm saying? After wrench, and it worked. You know what I'm saying? I seen a lot of people use the extended thing or whatever, but the way I did it was good, and it was easier to as well. You see how the way that I'm untightening now is coming out slowly and all this stuff, you know? So good thing I was able to do it, and I'm loosening now. And look at the oil. The oil is about to come out right now. Bang, bang, bang. You see that easy money? You know what I'm saying? So let the oil come out for a little bit. Let it drip out. And then after that, you keep on turning it. Let it come out a little more. You see how it's coming out now? So anyways, I'm going to have to take it out now. So I just got to turn it more. And I want to make sure it don't bust on my face. No homo, pause. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just turning it. And then the oil is about to come out. All because I was turning it this whole time. You know what I'm saying? So good thing. Ooh, it came out. Cool. It came out. It definitely got disconnected now. So good thing I was able to take it out. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, my old filter, I just don't understand why the hell I got Nissan logo on it. I don't know why. So in this picture right here, this is an oil filter hole right here, and you're supposed to clean it out like with like a fire towel or something like that. So I just want to show you that, you know what I'm saying? So this right here, you know, this is my old oil on the oil pan that I use, you know what I'm saying? This spills out 4.5 quarts out of my engine, fortunately, and this is my old filter right here, you know what I'm saying? Dirty old oil, and this filter had to get changed. So, but one thing I don't understand is the Nissan part. I mean, I love Nissans, but why on the Honda though? That's what I don't get, but it is what it is, and now I'm about to put the new stuff on already, you know? Yeah, man, so I drained out the oil already, so I want to make sure that I check, make sure I don't have anything in there, you know what I'm saying? So it's blurry and stuff like that. It's a little blurry and all. But yeah, as you can see, there's no oil in there, you know what I'm saying? So now it's time for me to put the new oil and the filter, you heard? So as you can see over here, you know, this is my new filter right here, stuff like that. Got it from AutoZone and stuff. And this will last you 10,000 miles, which is good. And good thing I had a good deal on the bundle, stuff like that, with this and the oil, the synthetic oil for like $30, which is Gucci, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you what's up. So yeah, man, before I install this oil filter, I gotta put the oil on this, you know, the clean oil on top of this, so it could be put on properly and all that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna show y'all. So as you can see, I'm putting my finger on it, you know what I'm saying? Then what I will do here is put it in there on top like this, and then put it inside so that way it will go in properly and it will clean more and all that, you know what I'm saying? So that's what you gotta do, you heard? As you can see here, I am putting my oil filter back for right now, you know what I'm saying? So all you gotta do is turn it back to where it was before, just turn it, you know what I'm saying? But you cannot over tight it, because if you over tight it, you can damage it. So all you gotta do is turn it and then put the wrench back, you know, use the wrench. That same wrench that you use, just tighten it, but don't over tighten it. Make sure you turn it and then it clicks, and then once it clicks, don't over tighten it, you know what I'm saying? So you see, bam, there you go. So I made sure that it was like closed for good. And then for this right here, I had to use my bolt. It was the same bolt. I was supposed to use a different bolt, but I decided to use the same bolt for now, you know what I'm saying? Because I couldn't buy another bolt. So, you know, then now I'm tightening it back, but I could not over tighten the side to make sure I hit it. So in this picture, as you're looking at now, it is the bolt and the filter in, and I make sure I clean the bolt, you know what I'm saying? So the thing could be clean and everything is good, you heard? So now I'm about to put this new oil in now. So all I gotta do is first remove this cap, and then before I put the oil in, I gotta put this safety thing on, so that way it won't, you know, spill all over the place, nothing like that, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now I gotta put 4.5 quarts, 4 to 4.5 quarts in there now. So let's do it. Gotta fill her up, gotta fill her up. Gotta fill her up, you heard? Okay, I used 1 quart already. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but I used 1 quart already, so I'm gonna put more. Oh shit. Let it go down, let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. Okay. All right, let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. So right now it's 2 quarts, so I used 3 quarts already, so I gotta put 1 more quart in there. Let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. Put a little bit more. Let it go down, let it go down, let it go down. All right. So I got 1 quart left in there. So I used 4 already, so which is good. So I'm pretty much done. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna use the oil stick to check and make sure it's full. You know what I'm saying? So oil is all over, so I gotta wipe it down one time, put it back. Come on, put it back. Alright, so the oil is filled now, which is good. So it's really filled, as you can see, you know, so it's filled. So the engine is on, no leaks in the front so far. Now I'm about to go underneath the car to make sure. Alright, so the car is underneath. I don't see no leaks so far, which is good. I didn't want to over tighten the filter, you know what I'm saying? So I did what I had to do, and it was my very first time ever doing this, and I am happy that I saved my money. You dig? So yeah, man, I'm at AutoZone right now. I just recycled my old oil, the dirty oil, the black oil version. You know what I'm saying? So I did what I had to do, and also the filter too, by the way. So word. So in this pic right here, as you can see, is the oil comparison between the clean oil and the dirty oil, and it's showing something different. But in my perspective, on the left I seen like a clean oil, and on the right I seen it as a dirty oil, like darker as an example, you know what I'm saying? But I honestly want to thank y'all for watching this video that I made, and I honestly want to thank y'all for supporting me, and I want to thank my haters for not supporting me as well, which I love my haters and I'm not worried about it. But I got more videos coming soon, so hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, and your boy is about to be out. Deuces.